That's why influencers are called influencers. They've influenced me. Mama, what happened to me? मेरे marks. Wow. Go back, man. Shit, did I do ऐसा कुछ? I just take eyebrow gel and brush it, and then fill in the gaps, blanks. स्कूल याद आ गया मुझे. जल्दी नजर पड़ी तुझ पे उधर. मैं हमेशा Pinterest खोल के देखती हूँ आज कौन सा लुक करूँ, ऐसे जैसे सब आता है मुझे. Oh, I can try this, I can try that. Sorry. Hi, this is Shruti Sinha. Come get ready with me for brunch. So, I'm gonna start with skin prep, but before that, let's put the hair back. Because I can't focus like this. Go back, man. I don't do a lot of skincare because the last time I tried, I got all of these pimples. So, like a very good student, I just do what my dermat has asked me to do, which is put moisturizer. Again, no fancy brand, only something that my dermat asked me to do. Sunscreen. And my skin is ready for makeup. That's all I do, nothing else. I tried serum, toner, और क्या क्या होता है? Under eye cream. Nothing worked for me. I was like, I had 20 pimples on my face. Only if I do this, I'm sorted. My skin is good. Okay, so now I get influenced by Instagram videos a lot. So there is one technique that I saw which is not the conventional way to do makeup, but that's how I do it and it works like magic. We start with primer. Please try it, and if it works for you, then only do it. Because it's a little whack. Trust me. I put primer first. Then I go in with setting powder. Setting powder is supposed to be the last step. I know. Don't come at me yet. Wait. You're gonna see it works like magic. मैं मिरर में कम देख रही हूँ, सामने ज़्यादा देख रही हूँ. Wow, proud of myself. It's a process. Trust it. Trust me. Then I go in with, it sounds so funny, I go in with setting spray. Yeah, I know people behind the camera are making faces. Listen, that's why influencers are called influencers. They've influenced me. We're gonna wait. Now the magic starts. You will see. I hope this works. It works at home. I will just go in with concealer. I will not put foundation because brunch, I don't want to look too heavy. This might just give me the glow that I want. So I put in concealer on the 20 marks that I have. Don't ask me my first memory of makeup because I'm a Kathak dancer and my first memory of makeup is red cheeks like Ninja Hattori, big fat eyeliner which was till here. Oh my god, we used to color our eyebrows. We looked scary, man. So that's my first memory of makeup. That's why I don't like too much. I like minimal. Mama, what happened to me? मेरे marks छुप गए. Wow. See, the setting spray, primer and that works. But I'm gonna put powder again. Wow, this looks fab. I think I've done a good job, right? Yeah, people are nodding. Okay, we will go to the bronzer cheeks later because I remembered we had to do eyes, so we'll do eyes first. So I will take this brown and put it. I don't put concealer on my eye because I feel like वो से छोटी हो जाती है आँख. मुझे अच्छा लगता है मेरी आँखें बड़ी लगे तो. So क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Cut crease, correct? With the brown. Then we'll go with the nude. Wow, my hair is looking like too good. I just got this haircut, I'm not used to it. this is what I do for the base, but then just to give it a little more definition, I will use my eyebrow kit, the darkest brown in that, and I will just give myself a tight liner kind of a situation. This is also my first makeup video, by the way. I don't think I've ever made a makeup video before. Yeah, also one thing that I do is I take kajal and then I tight line my, wow, go back man, and I tight line my eye, which looks a little scary, but you will watch me do it now. The upper lid. Wow, it didn't look scary to you because मैंने आंखें बंद कर ली. Smart. Shit, did I do ऐसा कुछ? Then I take a skin kajal, not white, and then I put kajal very lightly for the eyes to look big again. Wow, I'm doing a fab job. Proud of myself. Then I go in with mascara. I put two different mascaras because this one gives me length, that one gives me volume, and I need both of those things because I got lash extensions done once and then I lost all my thick eyelashes. So don't get it done, guys. It just looks fancy for like those few days and it ruins your natural lashes. It took me so much time to grow them again. Now I have them. So my second mascara, which I got in a PR package. I never knew about this brand and it's too cool. I love it. Wow, my eyes are done. No, eyebrows are left. Oh wow, messing up the routine process steps, whatever. I just take eyebrow gel and brush it and then fill in the gaps, blanks. School yaad aa gaya mujhe. Fill in the blanks. Wow, done. Not the full face, only the eyes. All dance songs, only Bollywood. I don't listen to any English songs unless people really force me to. मुझे पसंद है ऐसे कुमार सानू के गाने, सुखविंदर, मुझे सुखविंदर के कॉन्सर्ट में जाना है एक दिन लाइफ में. मिस हो गया मेरा रिसेंटली, बट ऐसे सुनती हूँ मैं. सारे टाइप के गाने सुनती हूँ, बट हिंदी, बॉलीवुड स्ट्रिक्टली. Like right now I was listening to, one song that I'm really obsessed with right now is a new song, but my most favorite song right now, जो बहुत ही पुराना है, दिल दी नज़र पड़ी तुझ पे उधर ना ना ना. That's what I was listening to right now while coming. But yeah, so bronzer done. Easy क्यों लग रहा है आज मुझे मेकअप? यूजली मैं थोड़ा स्ट्रगल करती हूँ, 4 बार वाइप करती हूँ, फिर से आती हूँ इस पे. But we go in with my most favorite step, which is blush. मैं अगर कुछ नहीं करना चाहूँ, मुझे सिर्फ एक मेकअप प्रोडक्ट दोगे तो वो ये होगा, क्योंकि मैं पूरे फेस को फ्लश कर देती हूँ पिंक से. क्रीम बेस्ड फर्स्ट, देन पाउडर बेस. मैं हमेशा पिंटरेस्ट खोल के देखती हूँ आज कौन सा लुक करूँ, ऐसे जैसे सब आता है मुझे. आई कैन ट्राई दिस, आई कैन ट्राई दैट, बट इवेंचुअली थोड़ा सा ऐसे ट्राई करती हूँ, नहीं होता है. ब्लैक लेती हूँ, स्मच करके स्मोकी, बेस्ट ईजीएस्ट, नोबडी विल नो. पिछले 5 मिनट से ब्लश लगाने की कोशिश में. वी गो इन विद पाउडर ब्लश. देन आई विल टेक दिस न्यूड. आई डोंट लाइक डिफाइंड. मैंने बहुत सारा कुछ नॉट लाइक बता दिया है. आई लाइक not defined lips. So I line my lip, but then I smudge it. In a music video, this makeup artist gave me like really lip line. It looked like I got Botox done. I was like, I'm never getting it done because it looks so scary on me. I don't know, defined lips scare me. That's why I re-smudge it. And then I go in with the lip oil because I want a little glossy lips. Glossy lips? I want glossy lips. English ka kya ho gaya abhi? It's a lip oil that gives me pink lips. It's green in color, but it gives me pink lips. I don't know how that works, but crazy cool. Science और makeup को मिला के, how cool is that, man? Anyway, time for highlighter, which is again pink. I'm obsessed. I don't put highlighter when I'm on camera though, because it looks like I'm sweating. Anyway, I think that's it. I'm done. We will put the spray again though. Sorry. Wow. 10 points to you, man. Ready? No, not ready. We have to change into the dress. But I think makeup is ready. I haven't slept, but right now I look like I'm really awake and my skin's glowing also because of the spray and the highlighter. But yeah, I think this is it. Quickly change and then I'll show you my full look. Hi, this is Shruti Sinha and you're watching me on Pink Villa. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.